It has a lot of important stuff on it. Yeah, so look at this. Observe these things, and then I will show this around. So there's lots of stuff here. Let's do them one at a time, or do them in pairs. The question now is, what are these and what is this? Now, wait a moment, though. What are these and what is this? What are these and what is this? So, okay, what are they?
Head of God in you.
No, thalamus. Yeah, thalamus. And what's the cavity?
Your favorite thing.
Yeah, the third ventricle.
Is this the other side that seems like?
Yes, the other side of the same slice. I mean, you look this way, you can see now, looking from posterior toward anterior, the interventricular foramina. Look in that way. See the hole in there?
Oh yeah, because it's converging medial.
Yeah, they're converging from anterolateral toward posteromedial.
What?
Yeah.
Can you show that over here?
Yeah, so look in this way and see if you don't see light coming through a hole when you look in this way. See that in there? See light coming through a hole?
Yeah,
That's one of the interventricular foramina. Look in this way.
That's a great analogy.
You see light coming through a hole in there? That's now you're looking from posterior toward anterior to an interventricular foramina.
Wait,
Yeah,
where
this
is
is the third ventricle.
Through that, though.
Yeah, look in there. You see
in the hole.
Yeah, see a light coming through a hole inside.
Oh, okay.
That's an interventricular foramina. Yeah, look in oblique. See that? Okay,
Through the third
now
ventricle.
what is this?
Optic chiasm.
Yeah, the optic
Where they
chiasma.
come together.
Yeah, the optic chiasma. And then what is that?
Supraoptic recess.
Yeah, the supraoptic recess.
Where is that?
The supraoptic recess. The recess of the third ventricle that touches the top of the optic chiasma.
What is that, like at the bottom?
Yeah, that's right. This is an actual supraoptic recess, touching the top of the optic chiasma. Okay?
Cool.
Now,
Wait, this is the more posterior side, right?
right. What is this and what is that? See, look at this. What's this and what's this? See this?
Putamen.
See that? And what are the two taken together?
Not two, three.
Not the corpus striatum. Yeah, the lentiform nucleus.
So that's the posterior, right?
Yeah, now what's this?
The white?
Like the
lighter color?
Posterior.
Yeah, how do you know it's the posterior limb of the inferior?
Because the thalamus and the lentiform.
Yeah, it's bordered by the thalamus and the lentiform. Yeah, so you know I'm going to ask that.
Yeah, we know
What are these?
What are those? Oh,
Inferior. I don't know.
No, what are these? So we'll do these first.
Little
body
wesses.
of
Yeah, bodies of lateral ventral. How do you know it's the body rather than the anterior horn? Yes, and also the thalamus is in the floor.
Okay, and then what was that?
And what are these?
Head of caudate?
Well,
body of caudate.
body of the caudate. You see, it's narrowed down to the small mass.
Can you show over here?
You see the body of the caudate? It's now narrowed down, it's tapered down to the small mass.
The body of the corpus.
The body of the caudate.
You're favoring that side.
The body of, no, I get over to this side. The body of the caudate. Now look over here.
Pointing the finger.
You see this?
You're fearing that side.
It's a very faint, dark projections. You see that? Right over there. Look very closely.
What is it?
They're very narrow, so you have to look very closely. What must those be? Going from there to there.
Wait, what?
Yeah, cellular bridges.
Oh yes, she knows from not even looking. She's like an
Not
exemplary
all the
student.
cellular bridges connect the head of the caudate with the putamen. Some connect the body with the putamen. You see the cellular bridges.
Without looking. That's cool.
Cellular
Would you
bridges.
X that on the test?
Yeah.
On this one?
I say X too.
Yeah, so now,
What are you going to say for cellular bridges? These
I know, I'm so
look at
gray
this.
area?
There's a tube in there. Yeah, there's a branch of the middle cerebral artery. See that? See that two,
Alyssa.
Nice.
the branch of the middle cerebral artery?
I think he is.
Okay.
In the what?
What's that space?
The
Pay
lateral
attention, pay
sulcus.
attention. What's the space? Yeah, lateral sulcus. Yeah.
Lateral sulcus and then you said middle cerebral artery.
Yeah, you can see a branch of the middle cerebral artery right over there.
And then that's lateral
Okay.
sulcus then?
Yeah, within the lateral sulcus, that's where it branches. Okay,
It's middle cerebral?
yes. And that means we see the insula over here. And then, this isn't the best one to show the external capsule and the extreme capsule and the claustrum. There are better ones than that, but they're all in that region.
Besides, can the test
Yeah.
with the wet stuff just be on coronals?
No, it's gotta be on horizontals and coronal.
We don't remember that. We did that February 18th.
Yeah, so, in the review section, we'll flash through them again.
But some people can't go there.
Somebody stuck up.
Yeah, we're gonna be busy.
What stuff?
Well,
What time are you gonna start?
I will start when people can start.
What are we doing on Thursday?
On Thursday, we're gonna wrap it up on these and also go over some of those functions.
Can some of us stay after and do a review then, maybe?
We can flash through the horizontals on Thursday.
In class or?
Flash.
No, well, I don't, we might have time to do that. I think we're gonna just have time to